don't leave your child's education a chance, right? So, are you prepared na for your child's college education? And you may ask now nga, layo pa man, bata pa man ako mga anak, they're still in their elementaries or preschools, pag gani, nasa po mo na layo pa man na. However, if you don't plan for that, na consequences kanang tulo, missed learning opportunities, kaya dili sila makaskwela pohon sa ilang uh, course and eskwelahan nga gusto nila eskwelahan. Second is sure state of daily expenses, right? Essentials like mga allowances nila, pagkaon, na projects, pang project nila, and career dreams at risk as well. Kay magpahinalaan sila roob kay di wala sila kaskwela sa eskwelahan nga ilang gusto, sa ilang course nga ilang gusto, usap po na ma-at risk without. So there's also the answer to that is if you plan, makakover ka sa ilang tuition fees. Second is nakpo kay funds sa extracurriculars nila o sa ilang allowances, sa daily expense nila. Dili na ka mamublima ana kay na imo na prepare ahead. Third is na maka-invest po ka sa ilang training, kalang OJTs nila, and kay tanang kurso karon na may OJTs, even like kung doctorate di pa ganin na ganin na yung mga kanang kuan training sa hospital o mga nurses po nga na. So wala po sila sweldo, di ba? So mausap po na nga imong as you as a parent imong po nang una-unaon. So at Sun Life we offer that na nami kanang plans ana for their college education ay participating endowment nga madawat nga guaranteed cash plus dividend at the 6th year of the plan until the age of 100 and every other 2 years. So 6 year of the plan, 8 year of the plan, 10 until the age of 100 sa nimo or sa imong anak na madawat nga 8% sa face amount. For example, kung 1 million ang face amount kung mong gikuha, so naay 80,000 nga madawat at the 6th year of the plan. Guaranteed cash na siya whatever happens sa economy na doon na may makuha doon na nimo or pero magamit na nimo for like pag-college mo anak and as well as napajoy dividend. So yeah, if you're interested and planning ahead for your child's education, you can look for a financial advisor near you, or yeah, send me a message so I can help you guide and give you the best advice for what's the best plan for you depending on your goals and dreams. Thanks. Bye.